This will be a quick video showing how I solved a problem that plagues any small shop. That problem is material storage. When you receive a pallet full of material, if you leave it on a pallet, it takes up a tremendous amount of space, much of it vertical. If it is a mixed material pallet, likely the sheet you need is always on the bottom. You'll need to leave up to 128 square feet of clear floor space just to access your material. This is compared with about 40 square feet for vertical storage. Once I had the design, I broke the piece down into its individual parts and nested everything on 3/4 inch sheets of Baltic birch plywood. I laser cut a scale model to verify the geometry and to get an idea of the order that the pieces would go together. Because this design is essentially a large wooden puzzle, the order of assembly is very important. Once the geometry was verified, I could begin to cut the sheets of plywood. For this project, I am using a compression spiral bit for the best possible finish on both the top and the bottom of the parts. This project will take 9 sheets to complete. I'll save you from watching that. A couple of the pieces are over 8 feet long, so I am puzzle piecing them together. Here you can see the cut quality directly from the CNC. I didn't compensate this joint at all, as I'm hoping for the tightest possible fit. I tried to make this structure as efficient as possible. The end tower will help to resist racking and twisting of the overall piece. These support ribs interlock with the deck plate for maximum strength. By tilting the stage and deck, sheet material will naturally want to lean against the back of the support leaves. The 4-inch kick plate keeps the material off the ground. I am gluing and nailing the underlying structure, but other parts will just be allowed to float. This is the overall structure that will hold the material support leaves. Standing the material on end takes a lot of weight off the sheets in the middle, allowing for easy removal.